BTS and I share same birthday month. Three special life.
Awesome. So this is mango mojito float. Float is my invention, and with the Oreo BTS edition crumble I'm using. So this is limited edition. Just grab it here and try this recipe. And once you try, you will try again and again. So what you are waiting for? Just go and try. Hello, welcome to Madhurima's kitchen. So I am live from Madhurima's kitchen Facebook and Instagram page. I think something gir gaya. Anyway, so it's 28th of June 2026 and it's my birthday. So I thought to do a live cooking session. Not cooking, I'm preparing a mocktail. This is what I created. I loved it because I love to do some always I love to do some experiments. So it's a mojito, mango mojito basically, but there will be some twist. You know, this year it's 2026. BTS is celebrating their 13th birthday. So BTS, the Korean boy band. So I'm talking about that BTS. I'm a fan of them and I follow them, but I'm not the crazy fan. But there are and okay. So this year many people wish me in Facebook, Instagram, and those who are my food clients or my candy clients, they also wish me through my WhatsApp group. So separately I thank each of them because I think I'm not that big celebrity that I have millions or billions followers that I cannot reply to them separately, but yes, I can reply each of them. So it will take time. Today early morning this year I made last week I guess I shared the recipe of that Oreo black forest. So today I had the black forest cake. So yesterday I made it, and then another thing is there. Yesterday I made pizza. Every year I prepare pizza for us at home. So it's pepperoni pizza and chicken pizza both, and I have my food clients. So till 2023 I have my clients, and I used to bake the black forest cake for myself. 24 and 25 I did not do anything, my health was not permitting. So I bought a piece of like a pastry, black forest pastry. I never do the cake cutting, never ever. So because I always celebrate alone, my friends are not here. Okay, so let me show you something. One of my friend gifted me this purple eyeliner because she knows she's Manjuri or Manjari, whatever, because she's Bengali. So and her favorite color is purple, and somehow I also like purple. My color is basically blue, though I'm wearing the pink. So she told me that when you will do the live, please wear this purple eyeliner during the live. So let me show me the purple eyeliner. I think you can see this. So this is my purple eyeliner, and I think it's very nice. I always love this green, or most of the time blue. I mean in occasion. Normally I wear the if eyeliner I'm wearing, that is a black, but most of the time blue or dark green, but glittery green, not green. You can say electric blue and dark glittery green. And let me show you, this is my friend who is not Indian. So he made his girlfriend, I'm not his girlfriend, I'm his bestie, you can say. So he made his girlfriend during a BTS concert long back. So they are after that they started dating. So they call themselves army like others. So in this birthday they gifted me this. Let me show you. This is the BTS pillow, and they had picked everything. I never show my gift, but yes, this is funny. And this is the BTS mug. They drink coffee, I don't drink coffee, even I don't drink this much of tea, but yes, it is a very good showpiece, you can see. And what else I have? And this is the key ring here. Okay, so this is the key ring. So that was my birthday gift. I received it on 26th. So this is the funniest thing. And another thing, I'm preparing a recipe with the new BTS, that Oreo BTS. You can see this is the flip mirror image, that's why it is like this. So tomorrow on 29th, you just go through Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel, or even after 12 o'clock you can go through the channel and you can get the recipe. There will be a recipe with this Oreo BTS, that is the hotuk flavor, that is Korean pancake, and here we can see this is Korean sweet pancake flavor cream. This is actually nice, you can try this. And today I'm preparing a recipe, this mojito float I'm preparing. After that I will what I will do, I will do a crumble of that, it will taste better. So today, as I said that I wake up early morning, then I had pizza. And yesterday for my clients, all of my food clients, they are taking regular food like monthly food. So I made mini pizza, handmade mini chicken sausage pizza, and I gifted it to them, because my clients are always with me. So it's nothing like that they have to gift me, but I love to gift them. So this is a special occasion, this is my way of giving thanks to them. So I'm not wasting any more time. Oh, by the way, I went for a movie today. You will get to see my birthday vlog very soon. That is in my YouTube channel. It will be a longer vlog because that is the last. This is going to be the last birthday vlog. From next year onwards, I am not going to do any birthday vlog. It is not possible. Why? I already say in the vlog. Oh, what about the hair? Anyway, so and I went for the movie, that is Welcome to Jungle. Trust me. I never had any expectation of that, but seriously I enjoyed that. If you are looking for a story, if you are going for looking for a logic, don't go for the movie. But if you are going for a time pass, just go for it. You will laugh a lot. Like I don't know how a non-expected movie can do like that. Even before interval, there will be a surprise. So from first to last, you cannot even imagine what is going, what will happen, end of the movie what will happen. So that is really very funny and exciting. You know, these days the kind of movie we are seeing, already our life is very serious, মানে আমাদের প্রচুর প্রবলেম আছে অ্যান্ড অল, সো তার মধ্যে এই ধরনের একটা লাইট টাইপের মুভি ইটস রিয়েলি নিডেড। উই নিড সাম কাইন্ড অফ দিস কাইন্ড অফ movies. So let's start my birthday recipe. Flip it. And today I'm not going to show you the ingredient. Just I'll go through the recipe because I want to be very quick. I need some rest. Oh, by the way, I gifted something to me. So this is the fan I gifted to myself. This is rechargeable fan. I got it from Parar Dokan. Can you see that? Okay. So first thing first, we need a glass, any kind of glass. So I'm going to prepare this mojito float. I have mango. I'm using Langra Aam. You can use any kind of, you can use Alfonso also, but that is very pricey. It's expensive one, Alfonso. So I'm not using Alfonso, I'm using the Langra. Himsagar is also good. This Langra is very sweet. And then I'm going to add this lemon, pati lebu, what we can say pati bangla. So I'm going to add this lemon, and then I will add some mint or pudina. Just on it. Very simple recipe. And then I'm using this sugar syrup, little bit at first, and muddle it. I don't have the muddler, the long muddler. Actually I forgot that where I kept it, that's why I'm using this one. But if you have a long muddler, it will be helpful. So first you need to crush it, so the lemon flavor will be here. Lemon and then this mint, everything will be combined. So it's done. The crushing part is done. And now I will add little bit of mint leaf and sugar syrup. It will help to float. And now I'll just come back because I need to put some ice. So I'll just come back. Yes, I'm back. I have different kind of, I prepare the cookie, so I have different kind of cookie mold. So here I'm using this one, this coffee cookie mold for the ice. You can use anything, shape doesn't matter. So I had lunch at Goila's, Chef Sharan's Goila. He has an outlet. This is a franchisee I got, I thought, in South City Mall. So I had a meal. It was not expensive and it was really very good. So I have the galoti kebab and butter naan and dal makhni and salad, onion salad and pudina. So it was really good. Let me demold the ice. The small ice demolding is really, it will take time. So what happened basically, I always celebrate my birthday alone because, as I said often, that I don't have friends over here. I have few good friends and they are not based in Kolkata, maximum out of India, out of Kolkata. So it's not possible that I can celebrate it, unfortunately. So I'm habituated. You know, the lifestyle, either you can adopt this lifestyle or you can leave that lifestyle. Choice is up to you. So I choose to be happy. Nobody is there, to kya kare? I will celebrate my day. Either it's V day, B day, I mean Valentine's Day, birthday, 31st December, 25th December, whatever it is, I'll celebrate. So every time people ask me ki, "Are, eka eka bhalo hi acho?" No bhai, eka eka bhalo kyun thakte pare na? It is not possible. Jara bole, I am very sorry to say, it is not possible. Jara bole eka bhalo acho, tara doka teka choka thake mane with family. So pour this ice cube. You can, if you want, you can add more. So I'll stick to this only. And then I will fill it up with Sprite. My parents are actually waiting for me that when I will finish and I will go. And then it's Mojito. So just mix it. And now comes the floating part. So here I will add the ice cream. I was looking for my spoon again. So any kind of vanilla ice cream you can use. Don't use mango flavor ice cream. It doesn't go well with this recipe. And then just some lemon, and here comes the twist. Can you see that? This is Oreo, the special edition of Oreo. And now I have to make a crumble. So just grate it. And before that you have to keep it in freezer otherwise the cream will melt. So make it hard and then make the crumble. The hotok flavor or sweet Korean pancake flavor is there. The cream, there is a caramel flavor, vanilla flavor, so it will go well with this recipe. And don't forget to check tomorrow's recipe in YouTube. And if you want, you can check it in my Instagram already, it is there. So I'm done. And now see the color. And I will finish it off with some more soda. And some mango, as this is mango mojito float, I said. And last one, straw. And this Oreo. So just clean it off. It's done. Isn't it looking good? So let's talk to me. I'll flip this camera. Just some moment. Okay, so my birthday special live is done. I'm going to enjoy it. I cannot wait. The smell is really good. I really get some messages that about the feedback, so I'm really thankful. If you can post the message, not in a private message but in comment section, it will be better. So do try this mango mojito float with the BTS special Oreo twist, the crumble. So just enjoy it. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen, and go to the channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Bar. So tomorrow there will be a different recipe with this Oreo. And thank you for the birthday wish. So you will get lots and lots of recipes in future, and travel or any kind of information. Just go through my YouTube channel or Facebook. You can, if you want to add me in Facebook, I cannot add any locked profile, but you can send me request in Madhurima Rimax Vasu. Okay, so that's it. And after this I'm going to enjoy my dinner at 9:30, and then my birthday is over. So it is a normal day, just some special food which I don't prepare. I also sometimes eat from outside, and healthy and tasty food. Today there is no diet. So signing off.